In front of me is POCO C75, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration options. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Sound and Vibration over here. Then scroll down again and use those two switchers next to Vibrate Focus and Vibrate in Silent mode to enable or disable those options. If you want to, you can also tap on Vibrate on tap and adjust intensity of your touch vibrations by selecting one of those options, or disable them completely by hitting off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!